up, Nyamins family? Wagwan, V-Gates. You know what time it is. It's time for the Nyamins. Let's get into the recipe.
So my beautiful family, let me show you how I prepared this amazing, tasty, curried chicken foot. Guys, the recipe is awesome. You will absolutely love it. I know I was MIA for a while. Please accept my apology. But I'm back again with some more awesome recipes. So let's just get into this. So here I have about 12 to about 13 chicken foot. Yes, normally more than one foot you'd say feet, but in Jamaica it's foot. It don't matter how much, it's still foot for us. So what I did, I removed the toes. Yes, like what we normally do. That's our tradition in Jamaica. We don't cook the chicken foot them with the toes. No, it's a no for us. Yes, and luckily these chicken foot are very clean. You don't see much things on them, but normally if you see some little brown things in these areas or so, you'd cut them away, or if there's any yellow on it, you'd scrape it away. Yes, so basically, and we wash it with vinegar and lime. So yes, and what I normally do, I normally go ahead and just cut the chicken foot like in two. Yes, for this type of recipe. I'll show you how I do it. You just put a little cut right there. Yes, and that's it. Now it's time to get our chicken foot seasoned. Here I have some all-purpose season, some chicken season, some black pepper, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. And the proportion of what I'm using will be in the description below. I'm just going to pour it on. Then I go in with 2 pegs of crushed garlic. The garlic acts as a tenderizer for your chicken foot. Chicken foot does take some time to cook, so the garlic will help to tenderize your chicken foot. Next, I'm going in with my very own green seasoning. It's a blend of seasoning, and I will leave the link in the description below. There I went in with some better pack curry, even though I'm going to burn some curry, but I like to put a little curry on also. And I'm just going to mix everything together. And yes, there we have it. Our chicken foot is well seasoned. So over here in my pot, I have a tablespoon of vegetable oil, which is already hot. There I went in with a tablespoon of curry, and I'm just gonna mix the curry in. What we're doing here, we're getting the curry burned until it looks something like this. And then next, we wanna go in with our chicken foot. And we're just gonna mix in our chicken foot into the curry so it gets nicely coated. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in with some hot water into the bowl just to mix out all the seasoning and pour it on. And then I'm gonna cover the pot for about 10 to 15 minutes. I did cover the pot, but I did lost the clip. So yes, the pot was covered. And then about 15 minutes, we will check back on our chicken foot. So after 15 minutes, this is what our chicken foot is looking like. And guys, I hold my pot cover without a pot holder because my pot does not transfer heat to the handle, okay? So don't do like me. So there I went in with some hot water. You just want to pour enough hot water to cover the chicken foot, and then we're going to let it stay there to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we check back on it. After 45 minutes, this is what our chicken foot is looking like, coming together nice and tender. I'm gonna taste to see if any more season can be added. I've tasted and I realized that I can go in with some all-purpose season, so there I went in with some all-purpose season. Now I'm going in with some more flavors. I've added some onions, a piece of thyme, a piece of sweet pepper or bell pepper, and some carrots and some Irish, and I'm pouring in some hot water here, and we're just gonna cook it until the carrots and the Irish are nice and tender. And I forgot to mention that I did went in with some pimento seeds during the process of cooking. Yes, how can I forget to mention our pimento seeds? Pimento seed does add a nice flavor to your meat. Yes guys, so we're just gonna let this sit and cook for maybe about 15 minutes. We're almost there. All right, and then we'll be back. So there we have it. Our curried chicken foot is all done. Amazing. This will melt in your mouth. I'm telling you, the recipe is so awesome. Curried chicken foot and some white rice. Yes, delicious. Guys, please to try the recipe. I want to thank you so much for your tremendous support. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Bye.